Let's take a minute to see some of the scenic highlights before the video begins. Good morning.
Good morning.
Carmelita and I are camped in Leadore, Idaho. For today's adventure, we're going to Everson Lake. You ready to go see the lake, Carmelita?
I am. Let's go.
Dust kicks, high wheels turn and grind. Rocks ahead, rocks behind. The air tastes wild like pine and sweat. No promises, no regrets. Everson Lake calling us through crystal.
Well, we've made it into the Everson Lake trailhead. It says the lake's 3.4 miles. You ready to go see the lake, Carmelita?
I am.
Trail winds up like a coiled snake. Every step a choice to make. Lemhi shadows stretch and creep. Dreams awake where mountains sleep. Everson Lake calling us through crystal.
Well, Carmelita spotted this pretty little rock. It's got like some kind of green mineral on it. You can see the white and the green. So she had to stop and get it, of course.
Of course.
Well, we're about a mile from the lake. The road's been nice, but now we've come to a marsh.
Everson Lake calling us through crystal water, endless blue. Rugged peaks, sharp and raw. Carmelita, James and all. Do you hear the echoes cry from the cliffs to the endless sky? Hold on tight, this trail's a fight, but the lake burns bright tonight. Trails cut wide, dust clouds rising, nowhere to hide. James and Carmelita chasing time. Everson Lake calling out clear, rugged peaks whispering near. Idaho wild screaming loud, trail of rocks never bows.
Thank you. So here in Idaho, It doesn't matter how challenging the terrain is. As you could just see, I cannot even imagine being up in here in a full-size vehicle. And yet, and one was even a trailer. On up to the lake. Old cabin.
Wheels bite rocks, teeth of the earth.
Getting a little steep.
Grinding forward, grit giving birth. The edge, the wild, the endless pull. Everson Lake calling out clear.
There's the Lake Carmelita. Completely beautiful.
Never bows. Sky meets the glass below so still. A breathless hush where time won't spill. Mountains rise with jagged grace. Their shadows kiss the water's face. Everson whispers in the breeze, a mirror holding ancient seas, clear as a dream that you can't shake, majestic heart of this still lake. Lemhi peaks like sentinels stand.
Well, Carmelita and I have made it into Everson Lake. What a beautiful place. Rugged, jagged mountains, a beautiful crystal clear lake. We're going to sit here and enjoy the lake views, have a shoreside lunch, and then we'll be off to our next adventure. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you again soon.
See you soon.